studied, we also see that, yes,
Ma'am, I
yes,
cannot see this. Okay, I can now see the screen.
you can see the screen, right? Okay.
Boy,
Yeah.
just said the word.
We've also studied about causeway, right? Causeway is a way that is used to connect mainland to the islands, and it could be either by trains, buses. It's a bridge like structure, the one you can see in this picture, right? This is a causeway.
China leaves look like that on your own. I think so. This is the
Yeah.
picture.
And
Mount
did we
Fuji is in China.
there's a lot of noise coming, guys. Can we just stop it, or should I use the hook?
Hello, Aishwarya ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, Aishwarya.
My ma'am is the host.
And
Yes.
I'm the homeroom teacher. So I'll make you so that you can control the class well.
Yes, because I'm not able to listen anything.
Yeah. I'll just make you the host. Yes.
34, 35, 36, 38.
Kids, please everybody mute yourself. Like whenever you just want to speak, that time you unmute yourself. Rest of the time, please mute yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So now you guys can hear properly. There's no noise
Yes, ma'am.
coming. Okay. Yeah. So we've also studied that Bahrain has 3 ports. What is a port? Any one of you? Yes, Zena. Tell me.
Port is like a safety area for them. Like there's a full palace and there's a port inside it. Like for the sea.
So ports are there on the islands. Okay, on the beaches you can see we have ports in Mumbai also. So this is where big ships and cruisers come and go and they halt there, right? Yes. So port is a place where we have different ships coming and going, and they can be either cruises or cargoes. It is used to export and import goods, and it also carries passengers. Okay, so Bahrain has 3 big ports, and these ports they sometimes have they have container ships, they have cruise ships, and they also have oil tankers. So oil tankers are used to carry or transport oil from one place to another. Okay, guys.
Ma'am, but it's also very dangerous because when by mistake the oil falls down, it
Yeah, you
goes
should.
in the motors of the ship and the ship catches fire.
Yeah. So you need to
One
be
day,
very careful with things like oil, diesel, petrol, anything that you have to be very careful. So I'll use
actually,
the.
I saw a ship from very far. I saw a ship. It had fire on it.
Is it?
Ma'am,
So yeah.
will it circle also be in exam?
Sorry. Please is that what you're saying?
Yeah, this is.
Yes. This
Yeah.
will also be there in your exam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we want to far with gas also, because small babies can take it, and that will dangerous for the,
Yes.
that will dangerous.
Yes. So you guys also take care of yourself, right? You're also small. Yeah. Okay. So apart from ports and causeways, Bahrain also has this facility of air travel, and they have this airport, and Bahrain airport is on the Muharrak Island. So this entire country is situated on islands, right? I mean, it's made up of 33 islands. So this airport is also there on the island, and its name is Muharrak Island. Just remember, just so that you know. Okay.
Is it Maharak
So
Island?
with I don't know how it is pronounced, but it is this how, I mean, yeah, it is Muharrak. I mean, MU they have written. I'm not so good with pronunciations of names. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, how many of you have visited a beach or you have been to a beach or seaside? Like,
I have
hello,
visited
Ma'am, I have visited a seaside. I've gone to the Chopati.
Chapati. Okay.
We have visited. I went to Chopati too.
Okay.
We have visited. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in Goa, I go on the beach. I can't go. There is a
Okay.
beach and in beach here there is a hotel.
Okay. So you have been to Mumbai Chapati and some of you have been to Goa as well.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in vacation,
You
we
have been there
gone
for
to
vacation.
Maldives. Ma'am, I go out in Chapati.
Okay. So when you had been to a beach, so not all beaches are same. Like some beaches are rocky beaches, some beaches have sand on them. Correct? Amara has been to Maldives, right? Yes. So what did you see on the beach? Was it made up of soft sand or it was made up of rocks? I mean, the big rocks.
Soft sand.
Soft sand, right? Yeah. And the beach near Chapati, how is it? Do you see rocks there or is it made up of sand?
White sand.
White sand. Okay. So the different seasides or different beaches have different structures. So some are made up of mud, like sand, and some are made up of rocks. Also, in the previous lesson, we studied that we also have coral islands. So these beaches have different structures, and some beaches are made up of sand, some are made up of small stones, and some beaches have cliffs behind them. Do you know what is a cliff? If you see in this picture.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see this pink line over here that I'm drawing? You have this cliff written here in this picture.
What are you doing only?
Hello, can you see
Yes,
this?
ma'am. I can see.
Okay.
It is
So
like I've seen many cliffs.
yes. So this white portion, which is steep, yeah, Umema has annotated with the red. So this portion, which is steep as in straight down. It is vertical and it is steep, but this is like it is straight and steep. Yeah. So this portion is called a cliff. Okay, the one that you can see in the pictures. Boulders are these stones. These rocks are known as boulders. I don't know why I've got this color. Can you change the color of annotation? I'm not sure because it's not that dark. Okay, maybe I can. Okay, yeah. These are called boulders. This, you all know sand, right? Sand on the beach, you're all aware. The soft mud that you can see, it can be white. You make castles out of it, sand castles. Yeah, so that is a sand. This is a sea, you know that. And shingles are small pebbles or small stones, very small stones, and they're usually round in shape, like they are smooth. So those small pebbles are called as shingles. Okay, and okay, let me erase all of this, guys. Can you please erase?
Ma'am, like this small pebbles.
Yeah, but they are rounded ones, like of this size, but they are round, smooth. They do not have edges.
It is quartz.
Oh, even I have a rose quartz. Mine is pink in color. Okay. And the last portion that now we would see is a cave. Can you see a cave? Somebody can annotate a cave. Yes, Zena? You can see a cave, right? Yes, that's the cave. Right. Okay. Okay. Now let's erase that. We are not able to see the cave.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me who's this? Umema?
what is the syllabus? What is the syllabus?
Okay. Okay. Right. So once we finish this session, I'll let you know this syllabus. Okay. Don't worry about the exam, and nothing would be out of your syllabus. Okay. So you would be able to answer all the questions.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
someone is scribbling too much on the side.
Yeah. Who was that? I'm not.
Muhammad is on the right side, on the other side, I don't know.
Okay, Mohammed, can you please stop scribbling on the screen? Hello.
Mushfiq Zwani did right now over here on the screen.
Okay. Nobody will scribble. Okay, after this. Is that
not
clear?
scribbling. Just you are telling to scribble, then only.
Then only you're doing, right? Unless I tell you to annotate something, please don't scribble on the screen because it's just gonna take 10-20 minutes and then the session will be done. And if you won't pay attention, you won't be able to do well in exams, right? You have your exams, okay? And this is a fun lesson, guys. So you will enjoy. Okay. So now that you guys have been to sea, you must have, you know, what is seawater like. How does seawater taste? How does it taste like? Is it sweet?
Salty. One time
Yes,
round.
it's salty.
Salt. Ma'am, when
Yeah.
round, I
Ma'am.
tasted salty water, and it feels very thirsty when we drink salty water.
Yeah,
No,
right. The
it's
salty
not
water is
Mummy,
also capable of, yeah,
ma'am,
okay.
It's salty.
ma'am,
Taste the water. It's very salty.
Yeah. The water is salty because, you know, the rocks that are present near the sea, they contain some salt.
I
And
know.
these salts are
The
washed into the
sand,
water, making seawater
the
salt.
ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Mohammed, tell me.
Actually, the water in the sea is very salty, and
Yes.
Amara told that if we go in the sea, what salty sea water, your eyes will burn.
Okay, because I mean, it depends. Like, not everyone's eyes burn. Some people are allergic, and some people have really sensitive eyes and skin. So that's when they get this allergy, right? You know, they get affected by this. Okay, and what do you think? Is seawater always stable or it is moving? Water in the sea, how is it? How is it?
it
It keeps on
moves.
moving or it stands?
Sometimes it be flat. If it goes to a storm, the water passes
Ma'am,
in
because
storm. If
it
it's
is.
very far from a storm, it be still.
Okay,
Ma'am,
yeah.
can I tell you something? It
Yes,
actually
Sana, tell me.
moves. It moves because the waves are.
Yeah, so waves are there, right? So seawater is not still; it keeps on moving.
There are big waves when there is storm.
Yeah, then there is storm, but storm doesn't come every day, right? But waves will be there in water. So you know what is wave, right? They move in, waves are caused by currents of winds and they move like this. So the water keeps moving on continuously. And apart from waves, we also have tides. So what is a tide? In this picture, you can see in the first picture, we have water, we have different ships and cruises, and on the they're standing on the harbor or on the port, and we have water surrounding it, right? In the same picture below, there is no water, and the ships are still there on the beach. So when there is a high tide, water moves, uh, like, we have so much of water in the beach. Water moves in due to the wind. Water comes on the beach. Okay, and when we have a low tide, this water goes back into the sea. Okay, hello, are you getting me, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So the in this picture above that you can see is just called as a high tide. High tide is when water moves in on the beaches or on the seaside, And low tide is when water moves back into the sea. And this high tide and low tide is caused mainly by the moon. This moon has a pulling force which causes this wave. So you don't have to know that in detail right now because you will study it in your next classes, like how moon causes high tides and
Mama,
low
we
tides.
know that it starts.
Yeah, right. Is there because of the moon. And so we also have different cities, towns, and villages situated along the beaches or seasides or islands for that matter. Just like we studied
Ma'am,
about Bali. Yes. Hello, who's this?
which city is this?
Okay. This is a
Bahrain.
this is a small village and it is in Italy. Italy is a country, right? It's not in India. And we saw the cliffs, right? In the first picture that we saw, you guys annotated a cliff. So this village is situated on a cliff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Ma'am, I want to say they had not they make houses on cliffs
yeah,
and they live there.
yeah. So it must be very beautiful to live here, right? Like you have a house on your cliff and then you can
Yeah.
see a beautiful sea. It's really nice.
Ma'am, there is a more bigger.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but they're making houses on houses.
Yeah, because the cliff is strong enough. So yeah, and we also have houses on houses. Like we also have multi-storied buildings in Mumbai as well, right? So in the same way, they have situated houses on top of another.
They're making
Crowdy, but it
houses
still
on
looks
houses.
beautiful. Okay, so
Actually,
now
I was also trying to make a house in the game, but
oh,
suddenly it got vanished.
which game were you playing?
Roblox.
I
Okay,
know Roblox game.
great. So now we even this town is situated, this village is situated in Italy, but we also have villages or cities and towns situated on the seaside even in India. You have like Mumbai itself is situated on the seaside, right? Also you have different villages in Konkan, or you must have been to Tarkarli or Malvan, right? How many of you have you been there for scuba diving? Last time somebody was telling that you have been there for scuba diving. Who was it?
Ma'am, can I tell you something? That
Yeah.
I didn't go to scuba diving because I was not 7 that time. I was only 6. So they didn't allow me to do scuba diving. But my sister and my father and my mother went.
Okay, so now next time when you go, now they'll allow you, right? Because now you are 7. Like you must be 7.
I have done scuba
Ma'am, I
diving.
have not gone for swimming or scuba diving.
Okay.
I went for swimming.
Yeah. So we have different villages
Ma'am,
or
I
towns
went to
situated there.
snorkeling and scuba diving.
Wow. And when was it? Like recently you've been there before COVID or something?
Scuba diving? No, recently, not before. Not
Okay.
before.
Scuba diving means you dive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did snorkeling.
Sorry.
I I did snorkeling.
Snorkeling. Okay. So
Ma'am,
how
what
about
scuba diving?
okay? Who had been to scuba diving? Umema, right? Umema?
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Ma'am, they
been to
only
scuba
said that
diving,
I
right?
will get to go. Yes.
Yeah. So tell Mushfira,
Yes.
how was your experience of scuba diving? Tell me, what did you see when you went
Yeah.
when you dived?
I didn't went so down because the water was salty and I was even scared of it. That's why I could but see small fishes, like
Small fishes.
small fishes.
So, Mushfira, scuba diving is when you dive into the sea, and of course, you cannot do this alone. You have experts with you, and they take you down to the sea, and there you can see different sea animals or sea plants. You can see various number of
I
fishes and
just
beautiful
saw
pictures inside.
a crocodile fish.
Crocodile fish you have seen, yeah. So you get to see so many fishes, okay?
And
Ma'am, I have done nothing. I have not gone in the sea for many days.
Okay.
And actually, I had went in a pool, but I did not swimming. Only one time I went to a pool.
with my
Pool you
cousin, I am gonna go to a beach. It is
Yes.
going to go in the bus. 2 days for 2 days.
Okay, so now you're
And
gonna
we're
go to
gonna
a
stay
beach.
for only half evening.
And when I was 5 years old, I should go in a small pool. We have to
Okay.
blow it, and then we have to put some water in it.
Yeah.
Tiny pool.
So
A house
a
pool.
tiny pool. The depth is very less, right?
I would go in the big pool.
That is for kids.
Okay.
But ma'am,
And
I would
before that, I went to a big pool.
because I don't know swimming.
Okay. You learn swimming, okay? Swimming is one of the important skills that you need to have.
Small.
Okay. Right. So coming back to the seaside villages, do you know in ancient times when we had kings and you have must have seen in movies, right? We had king, queens, and they used to be wars against enemies with using swords
As a
and
king.
yeah, as a
Like
king. Yeah. So these seaside villages,
we
if a
had islands
yeah. So on
to
these
find.
villages, most of the villages or seasides were situated on a cliff so that it becomes easy to defend from an enemy. It is hard to climb a cliff and attack somebody, right? So that is how you defend someone. So even ancient people used to build their houses on cliffs so that they can defend themselves against enemies. And we also have other seaside villages were built where there were sheltered harbors or where there was good fishing. What is a harbor
I
on
don't
this?
know what's a harbor.
You don't know, right? So the place where ships
There is
the
1% low
on the
battery.
sea, this is called as harbor, where ships are tied. You know, ships are tied and kept right so that they don't flow into the water. Where you a shelter for a ship, it is called as a harbor. Right.
Oh,
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is 1% low battery.
Who is
I
it?
keep it in charging.
Okay. So now have you put in? have you started charging it?
No.
So charge it, na. Now you can charge it before it gets off. You're using a phone or laptop? What are you using?
I am using iPad.
iPad. Okay, so charge it. Okay. Now that you guys have been to beaches, some of you have been to Maldives. You must have stayed at a resort, right? Where did you guys stay? A resort?
It's charging, but it is
I am not going out of a country only.
Okay.
I have went to many resorts.
Many
And
resorts,
also,
right?
I have not gone out of Mumbai.
Okay. But you know what is
I
a
mean,
resort, right?
I am in Mumbai only, and I am in India.
Okay. But you know what is a resort, right?
Resolve.
Resorts like you go to have dinner, you can stay there, you can have fun.
It's kind of a hotel.
Yeah, it's kind of a hotel.
Yeah, a hotel I know.
You must have heard. Okay. So in this
But
picture
it
also
had a
you see
swimming pool.
this is okay. This is a beach and you can see this hut-like structures and behind this you can have a resort. Amara has been to Maldives, right? So you must have stayed at a resort, Amara?
Yes.
Yes,
He told
right.
me everything.
Yeah. So these are called as holiday resorts, especially these are made up for tourists like us who like to visit beaches and have fun. And this is a place where holidaymakers can stay and we have fun things inside to do and see. So you have swimming pools, you have different games, you have nice food to it, and the stay is really awesome and you just love staying there. Okay. So these
We
are holiday.
always, we always, whenever my father and my mother goes, we see in the
Hmm.
television. but the television is not so good. It only shows documentaries.
It only shows documentaries.
Yeah.
Then you must watch something on your phone, something interesting that you like, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You know how important rivers are in our lives? Because the seawater that we have is salty, right? You cannot drink it. It cannot meet your thirst. But you also need to have fresh water for consuming. Like we need to have fresh water. Animals need to have fresh water, right?
Ma'am, one time
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
drank some salty water.
You drank
Ma'am,
salty
I
water.
saw crabs.
On the beach?
Yeah. Ma'am, they were. I also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't see the crabs. Yeah, we were trying to remove them, but they were not coming out only. They were very salty. They were not but we left them because when they when they grow up, so they'll not have any home.
Right.
Yeah, they'll not even have family.
So have you
Yeah.
like do you know what is a river, right?
Yes.
What is the main difference between river and sea? I mean, when it comes to water in the sea and water of a river, what is it?
What, ma'am?
What is the main difference?
What?
Drinking water also. Seawater is all the gutter water, the water which we has already used.
Okay, seawater is not exactly gutter water, but it tastes salty because of because it
Yes.
has salts in it, right? Okay. So some towns and cities are situated where a river meets the sea, and this place is good to build a port. You know what is port, right? We just
What's a
discussed
port?
where ships come and go, where
Yes.
ships halt. That is a port. You can see in the picture also. So rivers are very important for the sports also, as well as it provides us with fresh water, and this water can be used for agriculture as in farming. Okay. Yes. Now we have last 5 to 10 minutes remaining, and you want to know like what all we have for exam, right? Hello,
Hello.
Jana.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, so what like we from the last week that I'm taking your sessions, we have studied about this islands, and we
Yes,
studied about the sea.
island. When the island get apart to another island.
Sorry.
You also told that when the island breaks, so
Hmm.
they become small islands.
Okay, so islands
The
get separated by mainlands, and
the
this
big
also happens.
country breaks, then they make a island.
Okay,
Not
countries don't.
island breaks, then it breaks a small island.
Okay, so islands can get separated due to waves and currents of oceans and seas. Okay, over a period of time, and these islands are separated from the mainland by the sea because it has water
Like China
surrounding.
and India are gathered, then the China and India will just break and there will be ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, there's no island in India.
we do have. We have Andaman and Nicobar, right?
Yes,
We
I saw it.
it's not
Wherever.
and not exactly an island, but we have seasides.
In
India. Okay.
ma'am,
Okay.
it says
So
I have went to all the countries because in India I went.
okay. And which is the largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Greenland. Okay.
Greenland. Greenland.
Okay. And you also know
Ma'am,
what
this,
is a coral island, right?
ma'am, this
So
part
some
of the island is full shells.
yes. So what is it called?
Coral.
Coral islands because it is made up of shells of tiny sea animals, like so
Yes,
Coral,
like
yeah,
turtles, like crabs.
crabs, turtles, right. And we also studied about Bahrain, an island country. So, what is the capital of Bahrain?
What?
What is the capital of Bahrain? Like capital of India is Delhi. What is capital of Bahrain?
Marganj.
Manama. It is called as Manama.
Manama.
Manama. Right.
Manama.
Okay. And
How name is that?
yeah. And the money that we use in our country is called as rupees, right?
Yeah.
But in
Rupees.
Bahrain, yeah, in Bahrain, their currency is known as Bahrain dinar.
And dirham.
Okay. And
Dinar. Oh, that's
yes.
called money. Dinar.
Okay. And people in Bahrain use different kinds of money making. They do farming. They grow dates in the oasis.
Everybody don't scribble on the screen.
Yes, please don't scribble on the screen, guys, because this is
Ma'am,
important, right?
ma'am,
You wanted to know what is
you
that?
can erase it. Ma'am, you can erase it because it is your screen.
I can erase it.
Ma'am, you
Please
can
scribble
stop
it.
the annotating.
Okay, how? Let me
You
check.
can stop the annotating.
Just a minute.
You can stop the annotation by pausing the screen.
Okay. Fine.
No, don't pause it or else it will be black screen for us.
Okay.
Then
Can you see it now?
everybody will annotate, ma'am.
Okay.
Pause the screen.
We also studied about causeways. This is a causeway, and causeways are used
Yes,
to.
ma'am.
Yeah, it is a bridge-like structure, and trains or buses can go to and fro from there. We just now studied about ports. That Bahrain has three big ports, and they are used.
Ma'am, still we can draw. You don't know the drawing.
It's fine. Like you just have
Keep
2-3 minutes.
already the annotation option.
Okay, wait.
Don't off the annotation option. Don't
Yeah, I've
on.
done it now. I've done it now. You won't be able to unmute it.
Yeah, who is in iPad? Just keep behind. Yes, ma'am. Now we can't do it.
Yeah.
Now.
And Bahrain also has this airport. What is it? What is the name of that airport?
Bahrain.
No, it has a name.
Bahrain. Which? Gulfair.
Muharrak Island.
Morocco Island.
Morocco Island.
Okay. And we just studied about a seaside. We know what is a cliff, the steeper structure, and we also saw this village in Italy that was situated on a cliff, right? Yes. And some beaches are rocky and some are made up of sands. And is the river water stable or it keeps moving? I mean, seawater. Sorry. Hello, guys.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Hello, ma'am.
hello. So seawater keeps moving because of right? Hello, Zainab. Yeah. So seawater keeps moving because yeah. So we also studied about high tide and low tide. And we saw this seaside villages. Okay. So most of the questions will be from this. I don't know what other teachers have taught from the month of January, okay, but nothing would be out of your syllabus, so you have to read this properly. Is that fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you know what is the syllabus for your exam, right? So you have this till
Yes.
holiday thoughts. Okay. And in case
Ma'am, they
the
don't use
previous-
cars and bikes in that cliff island. They can fall down.
yeah, it can fall down. So now, are you clear with what is the syllabus? I mean, I will still ask doubts or if other teachers have taught you something else. If not, then this is yours. That the question paper is only based on what I have taught. Okay. So did you enjoy today's session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, great.
I love this.
So
Bye.
you love the session. Thank you. I love the session too, and I love spending time with you and interacting with you. You're so nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome both. Okay. So should we end the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.